Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. You don't need a special occasion to enjoy this. I'm making the classic Goan beef chops that disappear before they even hit the table. These golden beef chops are crisp outside, melt in the mouth inside and packed with flavor you'll never forget. I'll show you how to make these delicious beef chops from scratch. Place a vessel on medium flame, add 5 washed potatoes, add water as required. Add half tablespoon of salt and mix well. Cover the vessel with the lid and let the potatoes boil until soft. You can poke the potatoes with a knife to check if they are soft. Once the potatoes are soft, transfer them into a bowl. Once the potatoes are cool, peel the potatoes. Then mash the potatoes. A smooth potato dough makes all the difference. No lumps and not too sticky. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add 1 1/2 onion chopped. Saute on medium flame. Add little salt. Add 1 chopped tomato. Saute on medium flame. Once sauteed, switch off the flame. In a mixer jar, add 5 green chilies chopped, 9 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half inch of ginger chopped, 8 cloves, 8 black peppercorns, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and full of fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Add half teaspoon of salt, less than half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of sugar. Add little water and grind into a fine paste. In a bowl, add 250 grams of beef mince. Add salt as required. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 1/2 tablespoons of the ground masala. Add half tablespoon of Goan vinegar. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Place a pan on medium flame, add the marinated mince. Add the sauteed ingredients, add little tomato sauce, little stock powder, mix well, cook until the water dries up. Then add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped, mix well. You can taste this mince filling and add more salt if required. Switch off the flame and transfer the mince filling into a bowl. To the mashed potatoes, add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of chili powder, salt as per your taste, a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix well. Take a portion of the mashed potatoes in your hands, shape into round ball. Flatten it like this. Put the mince filling in the center. Close it like this. Shape it like this. Ensure that the chops is smooth without any cracks. Follow the same steps to make rest of the beef chops. If you like this video, do give this video a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Coat the beef chops with flour. Dust off the excess flour. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt. Beat well. In a bowl, add equal quantities of breadcrumbs and semolina. Mix well. Dip the beef chops in the beaten egg and then coat with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. Once the beef chops are ready, you can serve them hot with a side of ketchup or green chutney. This dish fits anywhere: birthday parties, Sunday evenings, or even quiet lunch. It's a snack that can be eaten any time of the day. Whether you're making it for 2 people or 20, it's a recipe that brings joy while making and eating. Place a pan on medium flame. Heat little oil in it. Shallow fry the beef chops. After frying one side of the beef chops, flip the beef chops to fry the other side also. Look at that golden crust forming. It's the sign of a perfect chop. And the aroma that fills the kitchen, that's how you know you have made something special. Delicious beef chops are ready. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.